Oh, here we go, guys. The robots are coming. The AI are coming to replace us. Mercedes-Benz are accelerating the transformation of their production network by integrating artificial intelligence and humanoid robots at its digital factory campus in Berlin. I've seen Terminator too many times to trust these machines personally, and the likes of iRobot, of course, up there as well. And let's not even talk about the Matrix. But let's get into this story here, guys. Full article on the motoringchronicle.com as always. Mercedes-Benz is driving the transformation of its production network by reinforcing Berlin Marienfelder's role as the center of innovation for MO360 digital production technologies, now enhanced with AI humanoid robots and pioneering of innovations such as the production of high-performance electric axial flux motors. In 2022, Berlin Marienfelder, and I apologise to any Germans for mispronouncing that. My Deutsch is good, as you just heard from that as well. I'm just going to call it Berlin, just to be easier. Established itself as the global centre for expertise for production digitalisation through the Mercedes-Benz Digital Factory Campus, MBDFC, promoting the development of future software applications in a real-world production environment. The central basis for these endeavours is the Mercedes-Benz Car Operations 360 Digital Production Ecosystem, or MO360, which contains all of the important software applications and data within the global production network. At the MBDFC, the development and testing of new processes and technologies are seamlessly integrated with the swift global implementation of pioneering MO360 software applications for automotive production. Mercedes-Benz has now enhanced its MO360 production system with AI features, including the digital factory chatbot ecosystem and the MO360 LM suite, along with humanoid robots from US-based Apptronic, further establishing Berlin's status as a centre for global innovation. Today, new production processes and features, including those enabled through the Mercedes-Benz operating system, the MBOS, are being tested before implementation on real-world production lines at other Mercedes assembly plants. Marienfelder, for example, played an important role in preparing the Rastatt plant for its ramp-up of the new Mercedes-Benz CLA, the first vehicle to feature MBOS, which was unveiled just a few days ago. I'm just going to read out a few of the paragraphs further down. Like I said, full article on the motoringchronicle.com if you want to read the full thing, but I just want to skip ahead to this because I think this is really fascinating. This AI is changing the world, and at the MBDF, Mercedes-Benz is proactively shaping and developing new smart technologies for the global production network. With the MO360 AI factory, artificial intelligence is being integrated directly into production, making it intuitive, accessible and usable for everyone. The in-house digital factory chatbot ecosystem development allows employees to access production databases. Inquiries about machine maintenance or best practice methods for manufacturing processes can simply be asked via chat, with the AI immediately providing precise answers in multiple languages. So yeah, interesting stuff there. I mean, this is the thing. I mean, it all depends how AI is used at the end of the day. There's no reason why I don't think it can be used to assist things, you know. I don't see a problem with that. A lot of people use it. We all use it now. If you use the internet, if you use Google, AI does return loads of results for you now. It's on there all the time. It's Gemini or whatever it's called, you know. That's going to be a thing that's going to only increase with time. And I don't have a problem with that personally. It's when it starts to properly replace people and processes and stuff, and you're entirely dependent on it then at that point. There's no reason why it can't, of course, be something a little bit less than that, because that does help out. But when it's, there's a fine line with this stuff, and I'm always a bit skeptical about it. But, you know, from the company's point of view, if they don't do it, they're going to get left behind. So your thoughts in the comments below, guys. Is this the beginning of the end? I'm sure some people were very much thinking this is the start of a doomsday scenario, no doubt. It started with the car factories, then it was the military, and then we were all screwed. So, you know, I'm sure some people are thinking that. But your thoughts in the comments below, as always, guys. And we'll see you for plenty more news on the automotive industry here on the motoringchronicle.com. Have a fantastic day, guys. See you very soon. And beware of the machines.